So hi guys, so for today's video, we're gonna learn about on how to connect Stripe and access payments inside the Zapify.io. So first, go to the settings, find the integration and click it and search for Stripe. So Stripe is included here in payment and checklist. So here's the Stripe. So connect with Stripe, click connect with Stripe. So here you have to put your email address, also your password. So you can use different email. So here's we have the two-step authentication. So you're gonna scan this QR code to your Google Authenticator. So click next and enter the verification code. So click next and click connect. So you can do it later to fill in your business basic information. So once connected, all invoices, the payment links, and other forms will automatically process payment through your Stripe account. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.